Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm here in New York City and I thought it'd be really fun to hop on and share an everything I bought this week video. So I've been doing a little bit of shopping here in New York City. I've got new makeup, just a little bit fashion. I got more fashion this time than usual. But I really didn't bring any clothes with me, so I had to shop and buy some new outfits. I don't know what I was thinking, but we were here on a work trip, so I was so focused on work that I really didn't think about packing any outfits. I just packed like, leggings and tank tops. But then we got here and then, I realized we were gonna go out and have fun. So then I said, let me go ahead and do a little bit of shopping. I got some cute dresses. So I'm gonna show you everything that I hauled this week. And guys, I've got some amazing stuff right here. I can't wait to show you. Well, I can't wait to see this myself. This was actually a gift. I don't know what it is, but the Chanel SA gifted me this, so I don't know what it is, but we're gonna open it together and find out. And then I did get this purse at Chanel, so that is a dream purse of mine that I can't wait. Obviously I know what that is. I can't wait to show it to you. I didn't unbox it yet though, since I got home from the store, so I figured we can unbox it together and do a little Chanel unboxing. But let me show you some of the outfits I picked up first. You guys, I've never went to an actual Zara store, so I went to Zara here on 5th Avenue, and let me tell you, it did not, no, you know what, let me back it up. I did actually go to Zara store in Pasadena, California. I went to a Zara, and it was nothing like this Zara here in New York City. The one in Pasadena, I don't know how to describe it. It was much more kind of bohemian style, and it was, there's no other word for me to describe it. It was just very bohemian. The one here on 5th Avenue was so glam, so luxurious. It was like walking into, I don't even know what Sex and the City movie set. Everything was glam to the gods. Maybe it was just different trends now. Maybe things are getting to be more glam on trend. But I don't know, but let me tell you, I got some cute stuff. Like this skirt here. This is a beautiful little linen skirt that I got here from Zara. And then let me show you what else I got. I'll put a little picture in because I'm not really, should I stand up and show you? It's the cutest thing. But and I love how it's kind of like, it has some, I don't know why, but it's kind of baggy at the waist. So that's very cute, and the material is linen, and that's like my new thing now. This linen material is driving me wild. So I don't know what it is, it just feels so good on your skin. And I never liked linen before because I always thought it got wrinkled, but now I'm all about it. So let me show you what else I got. So I just put everything in this bag here for now, just to carry it in from the other room. But this I got at Zara. So cute. It's like a scrunchie. It reminds me of a giant scrunchie that you could wear. So I'm going to be wearing this soon. Adorable, very soft and nice. This was $45. And then I got these cute kind of sailor shorts, and they did have pants too. So if you like pants, prefer pants over shorts, they did have. And these are high-waisted, so cute with the sailor style. I was actually thinking of wearing this top. Maybe another day I will do that because that looks cute. So they had these. I love these. $39. I couldn't believe it. Because a lot of things online are like, Zara online are like $100 and something. So when I went in the store and they had so many things for $30, I was like, what? So then I got this cute bodysuit, which I don't know if I'm really ever gonna wear this, but I just grabbed it. But maybe under a blazer, but I don't know. We'll see. Can I return this? I think I took the tails off, but yeah, this is a bodysuit. And guys, I was shopping with Roxy. It was very difficult. Needless to say, it was quite, it was hard. So I had to buy what I could while I could. Plus I had to go get back to work. So I only had like an hour. So I just ran in Zara, grabbed everything I could. But this I picked up at Abercrombie and Fitch. So this is so cute. It has kind of like a square neckline. This is a dress. It's actually a lavender color, beautiful kind of lavender-esque color. So pretty, very 90s with the square neckline. And I actually got this same kind of top in pink, and I got a matching shorts set. This is also linen material, so nice. But I actually wore that already, and I put it in with the dry cleaning because we're leaving soon, so I just put it in. But I'll insert a picture because this fits the same way, but this is a dress. But that pink outfit, I wore that already. Oh my god, it was so cute. It felt so, this material is so soft. I don't know what it is. But yeah, I wore that. I love the neckline, and like I said, this is the same neckline. So if you like that kind of, if you like the way that looks, I'll insert a picture. They do have it at Abercrombie and Fitch, and it's so nice. It's so nice. So I got this dress and then that top that I'm gonna insert a picture of because it's dirty right now, and the shorts, the matching shorts, and they had a lot of different prints to choose from, and this dress was $60. So I can't wait to wear this. I'm gonna wear this with like white shoes of some sort. So then I got this dress at Zara. I love this dress. When I got this dress, everybody was trying to grab it for me, and I was like, they have more over there. I was like, this one's mine. So a few people tried to grab this out of my hands, and I was like, no, this is mine. So I love this. This was actually $49, and I'll put a picture in because I know it's hard to see, but it's gorgeous. It's so soft, feels amazing on. I'm so glad that I got this. And they have different colors, so if you're not into pink or you want different options, they definitely had different options because, you know, they had more colors than pink. Actually, I wanted to go back. They had the cutest skirt like this, kind of in orange, and they had green. They had the most beautiful colors. Everything was bright and gorgeous, and oh, just so pretty. I wish I could go back, guys, but like I said, we're leaving. But look at these cute shoes that I got. I love these. They have the crystal detailing on the toe and then the clear strap. These look so good on. They're so comfy with the block heel. So I'm so happy I got these because a lot of the shoes, they were sold out of my size. And they had these beautiful shoes that I wanted to get that I've seen online. They're like Manolo Blahnik dupes. Oh my God, I wanted to get those, but they didn't have my size. So that was, I love those, and they had my size. So I was like, yes. And then I think that's, okay, I think that's all of the clothing that I got. So then here's just a few makeup goodies, and then we'll get into the Chanel. I picked this up. This is Moroccan Oil Dry Shampoo. Now this said it was for dark tones, so I thought it would come out dark on my hair, but it didn't. So I'm not sure what's the point of calling it for dark hair, because it came out white on my hair. So but it did dry down. I have it now, and it looks fine. It dried down, you know, clear. So, but I'm not sure. I figured it was gonna come out like dark toned, but it didn't. So just a heads up, if you're interested in this, it's not gonna come out dark. And they have one for light hair, so I'm not sure what's the scoop on that, but I did pick that up. And then I got this, just a few things, guys, just little tiny things. But I didn't have any more makeup removers, so I ran out of my Perfect Cleansing Oil, so I picked this up, Bioderm, the sensitive one. Now I gotta say, everybody says this takes everything off. This did not take my eye makeup off so easily. So, because everybody says it will take anything off, not for me. So I was going in a few times trying to get the eye makeup off. With my cleansing oil, it's off like that. So I will definitely be going back to cleansing oil when that's used up. And then I got this here. This is from Pop Beauty. So they said this was like super mattifying powder, and I really like it. I'm wearing it right now. Velvet Powder Base. So I'm wearing it now. I'm not really wearing a lot of makeup, but you know, very nice. I set my makeup with this today. Very, very nice. Just like a Charlotte Tilbury exact thing, except I believe that was $18. So guys, I'm so nervous. I don't even want to touch this stuff because I'm very nervous when I handle my Chanel, because I'm always scared something's gonna happen to it or I'm gonna get dirty. But anyway, let's go. Let's be brave. Okay, let's open this one up first. So this was a gift that they gave me, and so let's open it together. I don't even want to untie it. I just want to, oh my God, it's so pretty. Let's just go in and see what it is. So they gave me this sample here, Bleu de Chanel Paris. Is this a men's cologne? I don't know. It smells like men's cologne, so that might be for men. And then, guys, this is the first time Chanel ever gave me a gift, I believe. So that's really nice. Then they gave me a Chanel Sublimage. I think this is a sample of this cream or lotion. Let's see here, guys. I got this La Mousse Creme Anti-Pollution Cleansing Cream. Oh, I can't wait to try that. So I'm gonna try that. Hopefully tonight I can try that. And then I want to use that in the Sublimage and see how it works. Another Chanel Blue. If you guys like this, let me know down below, and I'll definitely put this in a giveaway because It's for men. My husband doesn't wear cologne, so I'm pretty sure it's for men. It smells like it's cologne. I'm pretty sure. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me know down below. Here is another Sublimage serum. And then here is, this is Chanel Gabrielle. Okay, I'm gonna try that now. And then Chanel Gardenia fragrance. Oh, I would love to try that right now as well. Try all these. Here is the number 5 Chanel. So pretty packaging. And oh, there's one or two more samples in here. Coromandel Chanel. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. Coromandel is probably better. Oh, let me try this really quick. So this is Gabrielle perfume. Oh, that's very pretty. Oh, I love that. Oh my God, might have to wear that tonight. Let me see. And then here is, I don't want to spray too many because I'll wind up getting a headache. Let me see here. Oh, oh my God, that's gorgeous. What is this? Oh, Gardenia. Oh my God, that smells incredible. And then what was the other? But for me, I don't know which one I like better actually. Gabrielle or Gardenia is amazing. Then here is Coromandel. I'm probably saying that wrong, sorry. Let's try this one. This one is more spicy, which, you know, I really like too, but not my most, you know, that's not the one I would purchase first. But I do love that spicy scent. And let me just make sure about this Chanel Blue and see how it's if it really is men's cologne. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh yes, this is men's cologne. Okay. So I know a lot of women love to wear men's cologne. My friend, my first bestie ever, Tara, she loved wearing men's cologne and it smelled so good on her. So if you are the same as my bestie Tara, I haven't seen her in so long though, but let me know down below if you'd like to try that. Guys, now let's just really quickly, my husband is gonna be so mad at me. He doesn't like me to show these, but I have to. I can't even know what to say, guys. I don't even know what to say. Let's open it together. I'm gonna cry. You guys, I am going to cry my eyes out, okay? For real. I'm gonna start crying. Wait till you see this. I've wanted this bag for like my entire life. My entire adult life. Okay, let's see here. I don't even want to give you any clues what it is. Let's just do it. My husband, guys, like, I have to whisper because my husband's in the other room. He doesn't want me to unbox this, but okay, here's the little sticker. So heavy. I want to know, yeah. Some of you guys know what I mean. I'm so scared, guys. I'm so scared. Guys, I'm speechless. I can't even speak. Guys, I'm literally gonna cry right now. This is so beautiful. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I don't know if I can ever shop again for a purse ever. This is my dream. This is my dream bag. Although they just came out with it, but you know, the white with the gold hardware is always been, and a flap style has always been my dream. Chanel. I don't even want to mess with it, you guys. I can't touch it too much. I'm so paranoid that my hands might have something on it. Let me see, you know. And it's lambskin, and I swore I would never purchase another lambskin, but I did. Because I have a pink one, and I can't. I'm so terrified to use it because I'm scared something's gonna happen to it. But guys, this is it. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so soft. It is very heavy though. They said this is from the runway. So I asked the SA what that means. It means it was actually shown on the runway. So the handle is, he said it's too heavy, but I don't think so. I love it. I think it doesn't, this is as long as it goes. It doesn't do crossbody. If you are of a larger frame and you looking for a shoulder bag, I think this would fit under your shoulder because it has a nice size drop, which is very hard to find. So guys, let me tell you what happened with this. I walked in and I asked the, you know, the SA, do you have any white mini flaps? And she said no. She said they're all sold out, they're all gone. Oh, you know what, I better wrap. See, I have to wrap this up very careful because you can't even let the metal touch the leather. It'll make like indentations, it's crazy. So I gotta wrap it up again. So let me try to wrap it. Okay, so guys, she said, no, we don't have any. And I said, okay, and then I was looking around and I said, do you have any, you know, anything else? You know, any other nice color? She said, oh, we have pink, we have purple, but I'm, you know, those beautiful pink, I have a pink one already, but I didn't want purple. So I really always wanted a white one. And so she said, no, we don't have any. So then she goes, oh, but go look upstairs and see what they have. They might have a nice color upstairs. So I went upstairs, second floor, didn't have any. And something told me, go look on the third floor. And I was like, why? I didn't think there was gonna be anything on the third floor, but I went. Lo and behold, this little baby was sitting there, and this most wonderful SA ever, he got this one for me, and he brought me in the back room special, let me to try it on, and he goes, here, this is a special room, and it was so nice, you know. So yeah, then he got it for me, and then lo and behold, guys, they had like 2 or 3 of them, because then a girl saw me get it, and she goes, oh, do you have another one of those? He goes, oh yeah, I'll be right back. And then when he got me mine, I saw him, he had 2 in his hand, so he had mine and another one. So they had more than one. So I'm just saying, I don't know what happened, why she told me they didn't have any, and then they had multiple ones in store. Very odd, but you know, that's how it goes. That's Chanel, right? My husband was like, well, she probably didn't know. She doesn't know the inventory or whatever. So I guess that's what happened. But you know, I was wearing like my workout clothes. I think that, I don't know if that's what it was. I don't know. I don't really care. I just think it's fun to tell you what happened. And it was weird. So anyway, beauties, I'm so happy with my bag. Oh my God, I love it. And I just want to hop on and share today my everything I bought this week, haul, fashion, beauty. And that's pretty much it, dolls. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. And I'll be home soon. So I'll be back with more, you know, regular videos like I usually do. So I gotta do updated perfume collection for you beauties. So anyway, dolls, I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye, love you.